So being a coach, what is it like to be a coach? What does it even mean to be a coach? I know I did not know the answer to this question when I first started, but there's different types of coaches. When I'm giving statistics and when I'm talking about opportunities, in general, I'm talking about a life coach. You can think of a life coach as being like your general practitioner. Life coaches work with their clients around personal development as well as professional development, and they can work in a lot of different areas. But there are other types of coaches. You can be specifically a personal development coach. You don't do any of the professional stuff, but you work mainly around personal development. I talked about doing some executive coaching. An executive coach specifically works with executives. So you work with people in corporate America, C-suite executives, other people who consider themselves to be executives. And you usually do a lot of work in that realm of executive functioning and the things that they do as executives. There are also spiritual coaches. There are some coaches that will help you be able to get in touch with your spirituality. There are relationship coaches. We talked about how important relationships are in life. So it makes sense that there will be some coaches who focus specifically on relationships. There are leadership coaches. Leadership coaching is different than executive coaching. Executive coaching is really about the people that you work with. Leadership coaching is really about the skills. Everyone is a leader, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or whether you're an entrepreneur or whether you work a 9 to 5. You are a leader in some capacity. In the first place that you lead is yourself. So that can start with self-leadership and then leading others. Health and wellness. Lots of different health and wellness coaches out there that help people reach some of their health and wellness goals. And then there's specifically business coaches. So a lot of times when you're going to start a business, you want a business coach to help you get through the nuts and bolts of starting a business. Career coaches, this is some of what you'll see at universities or at companies that they have career coaches.